Okay, we're recording, guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna play Subway Surfers. I'm here with Evan.
Hello, brothers.
Let's play this game. What?
Are you actually gonna post this?
Probably. No!
Oof.
Oof.
Major oof. Jump. Yeet.
Holy sheet.
Why is there a fat, chubby policeman that was chasing through?
I don't know, because stereotypes are a thing.
Yeah, he's the fat, chubby policeman stereotype. That's definitely a stereotype.
He should be eating a donut, because how come police officers, like, their stereotype is eating donuts? It just doesn't make sense. When did that start?
I don't know.
Probably started in America, obviously. No! Oh, I thought I was gonna skate. It should be salt or something like that. That'd be funny.
Yeah.
Like Nerdy Crafter.
Salt.
It's salt. I want one of her shirts though. You know, like the shirts that are like a grain of salt or something.
Yeah.
I don't know. I need that. Hey, no.
This kid just hit my foot.
No. What's your favorite musical artist?
Wait. First, who's yours?
I don't know. Either Melanie Martinez. I don't know. Oh, come on. That's one of mine. There's like a bunch. Okay, I can't name them all. She's just one of them.
I don't even have one.
Okay. What? You don't? That's sad.
Everybody be quiet! I think when I ever say that, everybody just gets louder.
Yeah. Maybe don't say it then.
Should I tell them to be louder?
No, they're gonna get louder then.
You got the A, yay, finally!
My least favorite part of Subway Surfers is the boots, because it just makes you...
Yeah, you told me.
I know, I just want to say it so that my subscribers know how much of a struggle it is. Like, I feel like everyone secretly hates the boots, because when you're jumping, if you jump at the wrong time, you're just gonna hit into a train or a subway or whatever these things are.
Subway!
No! I don't care what they are, okay? I remember I used to not know how to roll, and and anytime I would come across those tall things you have to jump over, I would just accept my fate and die. And now I'm just like, whoa.
Like, I'm a pro, you're not though, bro. And guys, soon it's gonna be Christmas.
I think we all know that, dude. It's not even Thanksgiving as well.
I know.
What if someone, instead of being early for Christmas, they were late, and then they always played Christmas music like a week after Christmas?
That would be sad.
Maybe they just love Christmas. Who knows?
Do it again. Hazel, you should do a try not to jump challenge.
What is that? Is it where you just don't jump? You know those 24-hour challenges? There are ones where, like, people, like, I don't know, there's some weird ones. There's this one where this guy slaps himself for 24 hours. And there's this one of this girl who twerks for 24 hours. And I'm like, why do you want to do that?
What channel is this?
I don't know. You think I bother to look?
Yeah, probably.
No. And also that was, like, I think, like, almost last year.
Oh, wow.
Whoa, what's this? Oh, come on. No, I don't get to use it. Oh, you get 10 of everything.
Yeah.
Yo,
you mean 13.
Shush up. You're going to make me run over. This video is gonna run my storage off. Oh, okay.
When's the video gonna end?
You know what? How about right now? Okay, guys. That's it for now. Goodbye. Hold on.